The Bhoi People's Council (Rbpc) and Meghalaya People's Social Organisation (Mpso) urged the Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi on Monday to expedite the declaration of pending results of the DSC posts from 2021 to 2022. In a statement to the press following the meeting, Rbpc President Jason Lennox Nongrum revealed that the organisation has formally submitted a petition to the Deputy Commissioner, urging swift action in announcing the pending results for the DSC posts, which have been pending for the past 3 years. Nongrum highlighted that, according to the Deputy Commissioner, challenges in result declaration stem from departments because they have not yet submitted the roster system. As a proactive measure, the organisation has set a strict one-month deadline and the results must be declared by March 2024. Meghalaya government